Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we'll discuss how you can use ChatGPT to earn money online. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking for ways to earn extra income, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. Let's start. Content creation. ChatGPT can help you create high-quality content on any topic you desire. Whether it's articles, blog posts, social media content, or other types of content, ChatGPT can save you time and money while still delivering top-notch quality. You can then publish this content on your website, social media profiles, or even sell it to other content creators. Chatbot. Development. Offer chatbot development services to businesses to improve their customer service. Chatbots can be an excellent solution for businesses looking to streamline their customer service and increase engagement. With ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities, you can develop engaging chatbots that can answer customer inquiries and provide personalized assistance. Affiliate marketing. Collaborate with businesses and promote their products or services as an affiliate. You can receive a commission for every sale made through your referral. With ChatGPT, you can easily find and promote relevant products or services to your audience, making it a simple yet effective way to earn money online. Online tutoring and translation. Offer personalized online tutoring or translation services with ChatGPT's assistance. Whether you're an expert in a particular subject or fluent in multiple languages, ChatGPT can help you provide personalized assistance to students or individuals who need help with translations. By utilizing ChatGPT's capabilities, you can offer your services to a wider audience and make money online. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can help you earn money online through content creation, chatbot development, affiliate marketing, and online tutoring or translation services. By utilizing ChatGPT's capabilities, you can save time and money while still delivering high-quality results. Thanks for watching.